Hi, this is Bobby with Office Tracker. Today we're going to go over the self-service scheduling add-on feature. Self-service online scheduling means your customers, your staff, or anyone else with a need to set time-based appointments, events, or meetings with you and your organization can do so from any computer at any time of the day. There is no need for you or your staff to have direct physical contact or spend the time on the phone searching for available times or setting up customer information. With Office Tracker online scheduling, your customers can easily schedule available appointments you have predetermined. They can check back at any time later to see when their upcoming events are scheduled. They can also set and receive automated email and text reminders minutes, days, hours, weeks, or months in advance. In order to use the online scheduling system, you will need the Office Tracker server installed and have a license for the self-service scheduling add-on feature. You will also need to determine the page of your website where you would like your users to be able to schedule appointments and create a button or other link for them to access the scheduling tool. Let's go over setting up and customizing your online scheduling. You will choose specific settings for your online scheduling from the Office Tracker server administration pages. The settings page allows you to set the contact owner for registered self-service scheduling customers, your company information, the appointment find options, as well as the custom menu names. You can select what names are going to be shown on the self-service scheduler. You will also be able to set how far in advance customers can schedule appointments and the default reminder times if you would like to set that. The customization page allows you to set the default startup page, whether you would like your users to log in before searching for appointments, or if you'd like for them to be able to find appointments before logging in or registering. Add your company logo to the self-service scheduler. Set up custom reminder templates. And edit the appearance of the text box and the font. Your internal staff of Office Tracker scheduling users will first need to create web available appointments in order to have appointments display for those customers or clients using the online scheduling. If not, there will be no available appointments when they search for a time and date. You can take advantage of reoccurring events to create a large number of time slots that are repeated but can be scheduled individually. In this example, I have created a web available event from 9 to 10 a.m. reoccurring every Monday and Wednesday in our central office for Anita. You will notice that this event is replicated on Monday and Wednesday across the schedule. Even if I change weeks, it is still going to be on there as an available time slot. Customers will be required to create an account or register before they can schedule their own appointments. When a customer accesses your website and the page where you're including the online scheduling, they will be able to log in or register. Depending on your settings, they can alternatively search for available times first and then register as part of the process. To register as a new user, the customer enters basic information about himself or herself, including how they would like to receive the reminders. Once the user completes the registration, they will see a screen notifying them that the registration is pending and an email has been sent to the address they provided. They must click on the link in the email to complete their registration. This ensures only valid email addresses are used. The information is stored on the Office Tracker server and available in the Contact Manager records. Keep in mind that the customer records will be stored under the owner name you provided in the settings at the Office Tracker server admin. You can transfer ownership of these contact records later if required. If a customer is already set up in your Contact Manager with their email address, you will need to issue them a password and enable the web login option from your Office Tracker Contact Manager. Users can search for available appointments within a certain date and time range. They will also be able to refine their search further if you have multiple names with available appointments or if you have included labels or keywords as search fields. In this example, I have 2 names to choose from, and I am using the keyword field displayed as locations. So let's search for an available appointment time on the 18th from 8 to 6 in the central office. Users can scroll over to see additional information about the available appointment times. Once a user finds an available appointment that will fit their needs, they can click the Select link. The user will then be able to set up a reminder if desired. From there, the user will need to confirm their appointment. The system will then automatically send an email and/or text message reminder to the customer notifying them that the appointment has been scheduled. Registered users will be able to see their account information when logged in to view upcoming appointments, set reminders, and edit their contact information. I can set my view for the amount of time that I would like to see the appointments for. Here is the appointment we just made. If I would like to adjust the reminder, I'd click on the reminder icon and I could adjust it from there. If a reminder has been scheduled for the appointment, the user will then receive a text message and/or email reminder reminding them about their upcoming appointment at the predetermined time. When a user confirms an appointment using the self-service scheduler, the web available time slot automatically updates on your schedule with the contact's information, and the time slot is no longer available for anyone else to book. You can see right here on Monday the 18th at 3 o'clock, here is the appointment we scheduled. It added my contact information. I can open the event if I would like to view it, and I can make changes or add additional information if necessary. You will also notice on the screen, if you have your small icons enabled, that this little icon right here means that this is web available. It turns red whenever it has been booked. If you need to cancel an appointment that was scheduled via the self-service scheduler, simply open the Edit Event window and unlink the contact. The system will automatically send an email to the contact notifying them that the appointment has been canceled. That about covers it for today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when we upload a new video tutorial. These tutorials are designed to help you get the most out of your Office Tracker software. Make sure to follow us on Facebook for more handy tips and tricks. Happy scheduling!